When it comes to weight loss, chia seeds are often touted as one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Tiny, yet packed with nutrients, these seeds have gained immense popularity among health enthusiasts for their ability to support satiety, boost energy, and provide a concentrated dose of essential nutrients. But what is the best way to eat chia seeds for weight loss? Let's explore how chia seeds work, why they're effective, and how you can incorporate them into your diet in a way that maximizes their benefits while supporting your weight loss journey. To begin with, chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which is one of the most important factors when it comes to weight control. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain around 10 grams of fiber, which is about 35% of the daily recommended intake for adults. Fiber is not digested in the body, so it adds bulk to your diet without adding extra calories. This bulk helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks between meals. Another key feature of chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid. When soaked in water or another liquid, chia seeds can expand up to 10 times their original size, forming a gel-like consistency. This swollen, gelatinous texture not only helps you feel satiated, but also slows the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of energy and preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. For weight loss, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial, as it helps control cravings and reduces the risk of overeating. So, what's the best way to eat chia seeds for weight loss? The answer lies in maximizing both their satiating properties and nutritional value while keeping your overall calorie intake in check. One of the most effective ways is to soak chia seeds before consuming them. Dry chia seeds can be sprinkled on top of salads, yogurt, or cereal, but soaking them in water, milk, or plant-based milk for at least 10 to 15 minutes allows them to form that gel-like consistency, which is key for appetite control. For a simple and effective method, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a glass of water. Stir well, and let it sit until the seeds swell. You can then drink this mixture or add it to your smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt. This method enhances the seed's ability to promote fullness, making it a great option for those looking to reduce their calorie intake without feeling deprived. Chia pudding is another popular and delicious way to consume chia seeds for weight loss. To make chia pudding, combine chia seeds with your choice of milk. Whether dairy or plant-based, sweeten lightly with a natural sweetener like stevia, monk fruit, or a small amount of honey, and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least a few hours or overnight. The seeds absorb the liquid and create a thick, satisfying pudding that can be enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack, or even a healthy dessert. By adding fresh fruit, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon, you can create a nutrient-dense, high-fiber meal that is both filling and satisfying while still being low in calories. Adding chia seeds to smoothies is another excellent approach. Because chia seeds thicken liquids and add extra fiber, tossing a tablespoon of soaked or dry chia seeds into your morning smoothie can help keep you full for longer and may prevent that mid-morning hunger many people experience. Paired with leafy greens, berries, and a source of healthy fat like avocado or nut butter, chia seeds can turn a simple smoothie into a balanced, weight-loss-friendly meal. For those who prefer savory foods, mixing chia seeds into soups, stews, or salad dressings is also a great way to boost fiber content and promote satiety without altering the flavor significantly. Since chia seeds are virtually tasteless, they blend seamlessly into most recipes. It's important to keep in mind, though, that while chia seeds are nutrient-dense, they are not calorie-free. 2 tablespoons contain around 120 calories, so moderation is key. To use chia seeds effectively for weight loss, measure your portions and include them as part of a balanced diet, rather than simply adding them on top of what you're already eating. Using chia seeds to replace higher calorie or less satiating foods can help you maintain a calorie deficit, which is the foundation of any successful weight loss plan. Drinking chia seed water is another simple and popular method. To prepare, mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a large glass of water. Squeeze in some fresh lemon or lime juice and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This refreshing drink provides hydration, fiber, and a mild energy boost, making it ideal as a pre-meal beverage to help curb your appetite and prevent overeating at your next meal. Incorporating chia seeds into baked goods like muffins or energy bars is also possible, but it's important to be mindful of the other ingredients in these recipes. Many store-bought baked goods and bars are high in sugar and calories, which can counteract the benefits of chia seeds for weight loss. If you choose to bake with chia seeds, opt for recipes that use whole, minimally processed ingredients and keep added sugars to a minimum. Ultimately, the best way to eat chia seeds for weight loss is to make them a regular part of your meals and snacks in a way that supports your overall health and weight loss goals. Whether you choose chia pudding, smoothies, chia water, or simply sprinkle them over your favorite foods, consistency is key. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when increasing your fiber intake to support digestion and avoid any potential discomfort. In summary, chia seeds are a versatile, nutrient-rich superfood that can help you feel fuller, control cravings, and support healthy, sustainable weight loss. By soaking them to maximize their satiating properties, incorporating them into balanced meals, and paying attention to portions, you can harness the power of chia seeds on your journey toward your weight loss goals.